Hello everyone. So we are here then to learn about on how to write a memorandum. To make you better understand what is memorandum, you can imagine yourself being a head boy or head girl of your school. You are given a responsibility of organizing an exhibition. What is the first thing that you will do? You will first try to note down all the tasks that need to be done, and you will also note down all the details of the task and the person given respective responsibility, isn't it? And also, you use formal communication to the principal, teachers, and other people in position. So it is a very similar in business. We also need to note down details and communicate to the other individuals in the organization. There's a way of communication in business, so we call it as memorandum. In this section, we will study further about writing a memorandum. In order for you to work in any organization, you must understand the medium of communication used within the company. A memorandum, also known as a memo, is a form of written correspondence used internally by businesses, organizations, and government bodies and can serve many purposes. The key here is that the correspondence is to be used internally only. If you need to write to someone outside of your organization, a formal letter must be used. A memo is considered as one of the effective ways in delivering written messages within a company as it provides a concise and direct method of communication. Memorandum has many purposes. Generally, a memo will cover only one topic. They are short, concise, and need not to be written in a formal language. The common uses of memos are to inform others of meeting, change of policy, procedures, or any organizational details, to make an announcement, or to present working plans, or maybe a memorandum also can work as a reminder, or maybe you want to clarify issues to the workers or to convey or request information, as well as you want to instruct to the other employees. Now you know that memorandum can serve many functions. Now, let's look at into the format of a memorandum. So it is a very precise, a very short writing, consists of two parts. The first part is heading. It is located at the very top of the memo and should contain the receiver's name, the sender's name, the date, and also the subject. And the second part, we call it as content. This part discusses what the memo is about in detail. It is divided into three subheadings: opening, discussion, and closing. It is time for us to discuss further on this sample of memorandum. First of all, we need to put letterhead of the company at the top of the memorandum. After that, write down memorandum in full spelling and in capital letter, followed by heading. The first one is from. A memo needs to have a header that clearly indicates who sent it. Next is to. The intended recipients need to be stated clearly with the salutation, Mr. Adam Khairil. And the date, 17 August 2019, is the exact date when the memo is written. And the last one is subject. The subject matter, what the memo is about, must be in simple and precise written, as simple as smoking in the office building. Now, let us move to opening section. In the opening sections of the memo should be clearly stated the purpose of writing. For example, if you want to introduce a problem in your memo, you need to brief them on your purpose of writing, provide relevant background information, and identify the task that the memo is related to. Can you identify what is the problem stated in these opening sentences? Yes, it is about the issue of smoking in the office building. Now, for the discussion part. The discussion segment of the memo includes all the information and details that support your idea. For easy reading, it is a good idea to list important details rather than write them in paragraph form. Can you identify what are the details in this discussion? Good. Now, closing. So, we should close the memo with a cursory ending, starting action to be taken if any. Also consider including information on how a reader will benefit from any desired actions or how to make those actions easier. Based on the sample, what are the actions need to be taken by the reader? Can you identify them? Good. So for a memo, there is no signature required in a memo. For a certain organization, the initial part of the name of the author may appear at the bottom, but most of the time it will be left blank. We have come to the end of the session. You maybe want to try the exercises provided in the book at page 51, exercise 1 and exercise 2. So use this checklist after you have done your writing. Good luck!